Talent acquisition belongs in the human resources department because it's about people. Using that same logic, then, shouldn't sales belong to the CFO because it's about revenue? I don't think so, and I don't think so for the same reason. Talent acquisition and sales are both nimble, fast-moving skills and jobs that require a personality that works in that way. Everything about them is speed, precision, and just a real sense of nimbleness and mission accomplishment. Even their compensation plans have strong similarities. Sales typically doesn't report to the CFO because there's a difference in mentality that exists between the two. There's a difference in the way things are done. There's a difference in the type of person that thrives in each. And I think the same thing about talent acquisition or recruiting and HR. It's not that one is more important than the other. I'm not saying that. I'm saying that the person that thrives in one rarely thrives in both. I'm here to say I don't think talent acquisition belongs in the human resources department. Let's talk about it.